This patient was suffering from cervical disc bulge and he had a C71 disc bulge. The pain was in neck, traveling to the left arm and forearm. I pushed the bulged disc back to its normal place with Maitland's manual therapy, and he was completely cured. There was no need for surgery. He is permanently cured, and manual therapy is the most advanced treatment in the Western world. It's slowly picking up in our country too. Disc is present between two vertebrae, two spine, and when a disc is bulged out or prolapsed or herniated, it causes compression of the exiting spinal nerves, which causes pain in the neck. Also, the pain travels to the upper limb also. In Mulligan's and Maitland's manual therapy, we push the bulge disc back to its normal place. So, the patient is cured without drugs. It's a permanent cure. Hi, my name is Dr. Anand. I am practicing in Naumika Pain Relief Clinic, Madurai. Kindly share this YouTube link to people who suffer from disc collapse and disc bulge. Thank you.